Good morning, scrapologists. It is a beautiful Tuesday morning. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Good morning, Thor. Yeah. Oh, yo. So, we got that load on there last night from the pickups and the couple things street scrapping. So I'm slowly figuring out the GoPro. So we'll see if we can work down the yard today. Got that nice load of rotors in there, but gotta shift this load around a little bit in the back because we can't take that defreeze in. So I'll unload that. Woof woof. He's let me know I'm here. Such a smart dog. All right. Oh my goodness gracious. So we will unload this beast. So gentle with stuff. It's just my nature. Move him. Aside here for now. And whew. Hacking one. All right. This thing here, nice piece of iron aluminum. Since I already have some on the load, I'll throw that in. Add to it. In there. Now, this beast here, I know I didn't strip it down as well as I could have. Cut that off. Yeah, I'm lazy, but I'm also very sore from loading those rotors up last night. Ain't getting no younger. Sonic is going to put back in use again. So it ain't pretty, but it's going on. There we go. All right. So oh my goodness, takes a bit out of you. We'll neighbor dropped these off the other day. Some neighbor. Now you see my exhaust pipe, it's just put on the ground. I don't think I should be putting more in that truck or on this load, but I did kind of want to clean up some odds and ends here. It doesn't look like I'm going to put too much more onto her. Yeah, that's I think I got more rotors in there than I thought I did. Hard to tell it might. I'd say there's over 1,500 pounds there, easy. And that, so 1,500 to 170 a ton. Yeah, look over $100, so probably around $150 or so. And yeah, whew, definitely out of shape. Oh, I show you what I can do right now. Nice little bucket to throw trinkets in the shed. I should start calling the shop now. You see that mess there? Because Rand couldn't move the garbage bags just over to here. Put them behind the garbage bins. But, and on the side, so you can park the trailer there still. That's a fine mess. Here, a bunch of stuff in here to tear down. A lot of that's burnable wooden stuff. So I gotta go in here because that's right off the strippers of the truck. Oh my goodness. I'll set that. We're gonna be putting plywood down today or tomorrow. Set this right here for now. And my truck clippers. So I think I'm gonna leave that door open. Yeah. Get some air in here on that floor where it's nice out. Oh, I can bother opening that. And here it's nice to let the air come in here and do its thing, dry it up a bit more. It's dried up a lot, believe it or not. So yeah, 2 sheets of plywood should cover that up. I found 2 sheets of fairly good plywood yesterday afternoon, and a couple of fairly good pieces of 3/4 inch plywood. That should make me a workbench going from this wall up to about here. I'm going to do it the other way here around. I'll bring the workbench from the window down. Yeah, we'll put a bucket in the corner here to throw a shred in if we got enough room. So the shred's not going to be heavy. So I can put a car or a dolly under it and pull out here and out the door into the truck. All right. The great thing about living around here is we're surrounded by relatives and friends. It's not like a big city. Everybody on the road is pretty much related or lifelong friends to myself or the family, or both. So we don't have to worry about stuff walking away too much in daytime. Because, yeah, you fix that fascia board, put some softening up, and stuff some insulation up in there. Then I see I gotta change some 2x4s, 2x6 out in the spring where it's ride there, scab some new pieces in. Not a big job, just time consuming. And time is something not many of us have. Yeah, there's my other garbage bucket. Blew down the ditch. Yeah, I should. A friend gave me a gas tank the other day after I went out of the city. And I just got the son to throw it off the back of the truck. And where does he throw it? Right down in the bloody ditch. I should say it was on the trailer. Whew. More work. All right. Here's a spot for right here. See, I do work. Just there's no video evidence before this. Don't mean a thing. All right. Oh. See, then when I was going up to check the mail, Well, it did roll back a bit on her last night. Now, really a tire, I got put a chain to it. Had to check that air in the tire, she's pretty low. Yeah. I'll check that air before I leave. Put some air in that tire. And yeah, it was up okay. And let me just see, can I get away with it? Oh yeah, it's good. She's loaded quite heavy. So don't want to be too low if you hit a pothole, because I'll bend the rim and blow the tire out of her. So we got all this garbage to clean up. Stuff we put down where it's supposed to be. Just all disorganized. And those two tires there with the garbage gas can are good. Those two are garbage. I'll take them and throw them in tire recycling place in St. John. I got the snow blowers up here. Well, 3 that were working. The other one's already gone. There's a pile of plywood I got the plywood out of. And hey, you might be able to see us way over the corner over there is a bunch of I'll just take a walk over now and see what I got to work with. I planted these cedar trees here when I was about 13 years old. 42 years ago I planted those trees when I was a kid. Kind of cool. So this is usually kept up, all mowed and everything, but when we took the house back over again last year, we didn't have a ride on mower. And of course, nature takes back. Nature reclaims, so all this used to be mowed. So my goal is next year to have a ride on mower in the spring and get this crap all cleaned up again like my parents had it. Hey, blueberry plants. And what do I got here for wood? Have I got woods? Oh yeah, I got all kinds of good wood to there's some good step treads there. Some good framing for a small 4x4 deck where I just eat into the shed. Or shop, I should start calling it. Yeah, I got enough in there. There's enough good wood here. This is the good wood I threw off the side here last fall. It's still good, so we'll put it to use. We'll start building the workbenches in there today. Maybe a small table to sit at. And when we get the shop jacked up there so we can level off, I use some of that to build a little tiny deck for the front of it to get the stairs up to. Put the stairs on it. We'll be good to go by the end of the week. Everything's a time crunch when it's you live in a truly 4-season country. It's a nice time of year. I love fall, but I know what it's bringing. It's just kind of nippy out today. The irony of all this about us complaining about the cold weather now, 10 degrees, 8 degrees, 5 degrees, we're like Celsius. We're like, oh my God, it's so cold. Oh my God, I hate winter. Yet, come about March, around the middle of March, we get +5, +8, +10 temperatures. You're going, oh my God, where's my t-shirt? So hot. It's a strange but true story. Because once you acclimatize to cold, you get at least a bit of warmth, feels like a heat wave. And that's how it works. So come spring, these temperatures right now are gonna be beautiful. They're gonna be barbecue weather. All right, everybody. I'll probably go and post this video, and I'll see if I can actually do a video of unloading today. See if that's something that's possible. And if so, well, you'll see that be the next video. All right, thank you all. God bless, and you have a great week. Mine started off busy and hope it stays busy. Take care all.